One thing that tends to hurt our fearlessness is whether we have yellow teeth, since we as a whole need to streak a mouth of silvery whites. Regardless of whether your teeth have moved toward becoming stained from maturing, espresso, smoking, or not legitimately nurturing your teeth, you're in luckiness. Today, we will talk about 10 all-regular home cures that are financially savvy and convey comes about. 1. An orange peel. You can frequently utilize a crisp orange peel to decrease the presence of yellow on your teeth. Simply rub your teeth with the orange peel every prior night bed. Orange peel contains vitamin C and calcium that fend off germs while you are resting. Keep on doing this every night for 14 days and you will start to get comes about. 2. Baking soda. Since baking soda can clean about everything else, it does not shock anyone that it can evacuate yellow stains on your teeth, and additionally any plaque development. Simply blend a teaspoon of baking soda with your toothpaste. At that point, brush your teeth with the blend. It will be abrasive deliberately to go about as an extreme more clean. At that point, flush your mouth with warm water. Utilize this technique a few times per week. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a gentle fading item. Along these lines, it is fabulous in disposing of the yellow and stained blemishes on your teeth. Wash your mouth utilizing a mouthwash that as of now contains peroxide. It is essential that you never swallow hydrogen peroxide. Take a stab at influencing a glue to out of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. At that point, brush your teeth with the blend. In the wake of flushing off, brush your teeth with your general toothpaste. 4. Strawberries. The vitamin C in strawberries help them to battle recolors on your teeth. Simply take a couple of strawberries and crush them into a glue. Utilize this blend on your teeth and rub tenderly. Utilize this technique twice every day for 14 days and you will discover your teeth brighter and more white. 5. Salt. Salt can recharge any lost minerals that happen in the teeth and makes your teeth white once more. Utilizing ordinary table salt every morning, brush your teeth similarly as you would with your consistent toothpaste. You can likewise blend the salt with charcoal and utilize that to brush your teeth with. You can even blend table salt with baking soda and after that rub onto your teeth. 6. Lemon. Lemon normally dyes your teeth and can be utilized to dispose of any staining. Blend a couple of drops of lemon juice with some table salt. Put this blend onto the teeth and rub the glue into your teeth. Keep the blend on for a couple of minutes and after that flush your mouth out well with warm water. 7. Sacred basil. The leaves of this plant have whitening attributes and they can help your body to avoid gate crashers. Utilize a couple of leaves off the sacred basil plant and place them in the sun for a couple of minutes. Once the leaves have dried, granulate them until the point when they are powder. Blend the powder into your toothpaste and brush as typical. 8. Apples. When you mash into an apple, you are disposing of destructive poisons out of your teeth and making your teeth more white. To profit by this, devour 1 to 2 apples every day. Make sure to bite the apple altogether with the goal that the acids and filaments have a lot of time to clean your teeth. 9. Margasa. Margasa, or neem, are known for influencing your teeth to white. Margasa eliminates germs and cleans your teeth. Margasa oil can even cure terrible breath and help to anticipate pits. 10. Charcoal. Charcoal is extraordinary compared to other home solutions for stained teeth. That is on the grounds that charcoal has solid precious stone-based chemicals. You can profit by this item by blending some charcoal powder with your customary toothpaste. Rehash this twice every day to ensure your teeth are as white as could be expected under the circumstances.